Hello, fellow pioneers. Today is a truly special day for all of us in the Pi community, and I'm thrilled to share this moment with you. Today marks a major milestone for our Pi community, a day we've all been working toward with dedication and passion. Many of you are now receiving special notifications in your Pi app. These are your invitations to complete KYC or Know Your Customer verification. This is a crucial step that will allow you to fully participate in the next phase of our journey. This is a huge leap forward for our network, signaling we're closer than ever to the open mainnet. It's a sign that our collective efforts are paying off and that the vision we share is becoming a reality. Think of Pi Network as a spaceship we've built together, piece by piece, with every pioneer contributing. Now, KYC is our final pre-flight check before we embark on our greatest adventure yet. We need to verify every astronaut, every pioneer before launch. This ensures that our network is secure, trustworthy, and ready for the world. When you see that notification, get excited. You're being called to the launch pad, and your participation is vital to our mission's success. The core team is rolling out invitations carefully and thoughtfully to ensure a smooth process for everyone. We want every pioneer to have the best possible experience as we move forward together. Each completed KYC strengthens our network and brings us closer to our goal. Every verification adds another layer of trust and unity to our growing community. This is more than a technical step. It's a celebration of our progress, a testament to what we can achieve when we work together. Your KYC is your ticket to the next phase of this journey. It's your boarding pass to a future where you are an essential part of a global digital economy. Let's get ready to verify our identities and prepare for launch. Gather your documents, follow the instructions, and help us build a network we can all trust. The future of digital currency is in our hands, starting with this powerful step. By verifying, you're helping to shape a new era of financial freedom and innovation. Embrace this moment with enthusiasm and purpose. Together, we're making history. One verification, one pioneer, and one dream at a time. Let's launch into the future, united as a community. So, what is KYC? You might have heard this term thrown around in banking, crypto, or even when signing up for new apps. But what does it really mean? And why is it so important for Pi and other digital platforms? KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a global standard that helps organizations verify the identity of their users, making sure everyone is who they say they are. Think of it as a simple process to prove you're a real, unique person, just like when you open a bank account or sign up for a new service that needs to know you're genuine. Usually you provide official identification, like a passport or driver's license, and sometimes you'll be asked to take a selfie or a quick video to confirm it's really you. The system then checks that your face matches your ID and that your document is authentic, not expired, not fake, and not tampered with in any way. This process is crucial for keeping Pi fair. It ensures that each person only has one account, blocks out bots and fake users, and helps maintain a level playing field for everyone. Your privacy and security are always top priorities. KYC protects our network from fraud, scams, and abuse, so you can participate with confidence. Don't worry, it's not a test or a puzzle. It's just a straightforward verification step, designed to be as quick and easy as possible for real people. In a way, KYC is like a digital handshake. It's how the Pi community welcomes you as a real pioneer, making sure you're part of something authentic. Without KYC, we can't move forward confidently to the open mainnet, where real value and real people come together to build the future. KYC is the foundation of trust for our digital currency. It's what allows us to build a secure, transparent, and reliable network for everyone. Every verified pioneer strengthens our community, helping to create a secure, human-powered network where everyone can thrive and trust each other. Why is KYC so crucial for Pi? Let's break it down. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is more than just a security step. It's the foundation of trust in the Pi ecosystem. Without it, anyone could create multiple accounts, making the system unfair and open to abuse. Pi's vision is to build a fair cryptocurrency for everyday people, not just for big corporations, tech experts, or automated bots. It's about giving everyone a real chance to participate and benefit. KYC ensures fairness by making sure there's only one account per person. This stops cheating, prevents hoarding, and keeps the playing field level for all users. Think of it like playing a game where everyone has to follow the same rules. If someone cheats, the game isn't fun or fair anymore. KYC is what keeps the game honest for everyone. But there's more. KYC is also essential for global compliance. Governments and regulators require it to prevent fraud, money laundering, and other illegal activities. Without KYC, Pi couldn't operate legally in many countries. By verifying our users, Pi demonstrates that it's a serious, responsible project. This builds confidence not just among users, but also with partners, businesses, and regulators. This increases the chances of Pi being accepted and used worldwide, opening doors to new opportunities and partnerships across the globe. KYC creates a network of real, verified humans, something that's actually quite rare in the digital world, where fake accounts and bots are everywhere. Imagine a marketplace or app where you know you're always dealing with real people, not scammers or fake profiles. That's the kind of trust KYC brings. That's the power KYC unlocks. It opens the door to a safer, more reliable digital economy for everyone involved. It's truly the key to Pi's future value and utility, making sure our currency is trusted and useful in the real world. So let's work together to make our network strong, fair, and trusted. Because with KYC, we're building something that can last and benefit everyone. Now let's talk about your Pi. Right now, your Pi is in a digital waiting room. Mainnet migration moves it to your personal wallet, and KYC is the golden key. Without KYC, your Pi can't be transferred to mainnet. Once verified, your Pi becomes truly yours, a digital asset you control. Migration happens in batches for security, and your team's KYC status unlocks bonus Pi. Completing KYC is the bridge between your app balance and your mainnet wallet. Every pioneer who migrates strengthens the entire network. You're not just unlocking your own Pi, you're helping bring the Pi economy to life. Let's get everyone ready for mainnet. Trust is the foundation of any currency. KYC builds trust in Pi by proving our network is made of real people. This sets us apart from anonymous crypto projects. Imagine two cities, one with no records, one with verified residents. Pi is building the second city, secure, accountable, and attractive to businesses. Developers and businesses are more likely to join a trusted, verified network. Every KYC completion adds to our credibility and resilience. You're not just verifying yourself, you're laying a brick in Pi's foundation. Together, we're building a digital nation based on trust. Each verified pioneer is a founding citizen. Let's make Pi the most trusted network in crypto. Pi is built on teamwork. Your KYC helps everyone, not just you. Bonus: Pi from your referral team and security circle stays locked until they complete KYC. It's like a team project. Everyone needs to finish for full rewards. When you complete KYC, you unlock bonus Pi for your inviter. Be a leader. Encourage your team to finish their KYC too. The faster we all verify, the faster the whole network progresses. Imagine if every pioneer helped their team. Our economy would thrive from day one. KYC is a team effort, not just an individual task. Let's support each other and move forward together. Be the best teammate you can be. Ready to complete KYC? Here's how. Wait for your invitation. Notifications come in waves. Check for a KYC slot in the Pi browser. Have your valid government ID ready. Passport, national ID, or driver's license. Take clear, well-lit photos of your ID. Next, do the liveness check. Follow the app's instructions for a quick video selfie. This proves you're physically present and not using a fake photo. Submit your application. It's reviewed by automated systems and trained pioneers. Most are processed quickly, but be patient if it takes a bit longer. Once approved, you'll get a notification and a green check mark. You've completed a crucial step for yourself and the network. Welcome to the next phase of Pi. Every pioneer who completes KYC makes Pi's future brighter. We're moving from building to living, testing the blockchain, and launching Pi apps. The more verified users, the stronger our digital economy. Imagine secure apps, trusted marketplaces, and global financial services, all possible with KYC. Your quick action inspires others and creates momentum. Newcomers will see a thriving, active community. Progress attracts talent, ideas, and value. Each step forward is a collective achievement. The open mainnet is our goal. KYC is the last major hurdle. Let's clear it together with energy and purpose. The world is watching. Let's show them the power of a human-powered network. Our best days are just ahead. No pioneer left behind. That's our promise. Pi is about inclusivity, bringing crypto to everyone. We succeed or fail together, so let's help every genuine pioneer complete KYC. If you're having trouble, don't be discouraged. Help is available. Use chat rooms, FAQs, and the community for support. If your ID is rejected, try again. Check your lighting and follow instructions. For those who've passed KYC, become leaders and helpers. Remind your team to check for their KYC slot and offer guidance. Share your experience and tips. Every successful KYC is a win for the whole community. Our strength is measured by how we bring everyone along. Let's build a future where no pioneer is left behind. Together, we'll get this done. Let's go.